Go. Hey guys, Matt Hoots here, and I've got an exciting competition we're going to do today. So just to give you a little backstory, we've been installing these fasteners. These are from Triangle Fastener on the house, which means that we have to pre-drill in there with a hammer drill and we have to screw it in. And while I was at the store, one of the reps said, hey, why are you doing this? And why are you taking so much time using this fastener? We also sell something else. It's a better way. So I've got this. It's a Ramset fastener. This Ramset fastener, it goes in a lot faster. So we're going to have a competition. All right, so to put this fastener, we have to use two different tools. So the first thing we have to do is use a hammer drill. We either use our Makita or sometimes we use our cordless DeWalt, and we also have to use an impact driver. So with these two, you have to pre-drill, then you have to drive it in. It takes a lot of time. Now we already did one demonstration with this. This is the Ramset. Now this shoots this into the wall. So I've got two teams here. We're gonna have a quick competition. The first to 5 to see how fast you can get these in is going to win a nice prize. Now we're gonna add an additional layer to this competition. We are basically putting this into the rock wool. We got 5 inches of rock wool. We got 2 pieces of 2.5 inches. It's going up on the wall, but we're also going to put some plastic behind it. We're putting some of the Stego plastic behind it. And what I was told is that this will go through the rock wool and the plastic. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut the rock wool off, take a look at it, and see if this damaged the plastic behind it. Supposedly it's supposed to fuse to it. We're going to open it up and see how it looks. All right, first we're going to start with Team One Shot. We have Hayden Rudolph. He has been using the other fastening system for a long time. He's like, Matt, I've been doing this. There's got to be a faster way. And we're going to give him an opportunity to try out the Ramset. Representing Team Hammerhead, we've got Daniel Hoots. He has been using this fastening system for a long time. He says he's really fast at this, and we're going to see if he can actually do this system, which is doing the drilling and also doing the driving faster than the Ramset. On your mark, get set, go. It's like one shot is 3 shots ahead of Hammerhead. You guys asked, so we created a page on our website with links to all the different products that we review on our YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoy it. There's a link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Good job. So what'd you think of this tool, Mr. One Shot?
When can we get one?
All right, I know you guys have been using the other one forever. We definitely want to get one of those. All right, thanks. Mr. Hammerhead, what's going on here? Like we've got 5 One Shots in here. You've got, you managed to drill a hole. They got bigger, so what's going on here?
It was very slow to drill, so I'm not sure if it drilled all the way.
Oh, okay, so maybe we get some rebar or something in there?
Probably.
All right, so what would you think of this? Now you've seen both of these. Are you pretty impressed?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to do the challenge. So this looks like plastic. I know there's a fastener in here, but I don't see if you guys, without twisting it, can pull this out of the wall. I'll give you guys each 10 seconds. All right. All right, this is not pulling out. So do you guys think this would hold a flirting strip and also siding up?
Definitely.
All right, we did a few experiments here. We put the plastic back here. We put the rock wool on top, and we shot different length fasteners, also applied different types of pressure. So what we notice is the best way to do this is you grab it. This is a two-handed gun. You need to not just try to one-hand it, pull the trigger once you get a little bit of resistance, because if you don't feel pushback from the actual wall where you've made it all the way to the wall, the fastener is not going to go all the way in. So we've got some like that, and also we have an example down here where we pushed it all the way in, and like what I was talking about earlier, when you drill through it and try to put that screw into it, you can be messing up if you're using house wrap. Again, we don't use house wrap, but if you have house wrap or plastic behind it, that fastener could get twisted around it. This one, it goes all the way into it. from the heat of the combustion, it basically melts the plastic to it. So right here, a very, very good connection. It doesn't pull out, and the tip is actually fused into the plastic, which is also fused really close to the concrete. So I'm pretty sure that vapor's not going to get through this at all. All right, we knew that one shot was going to win, but we didn't know by how much, and we didn't do anything to handicap this at all. So we actually put our most experienced person on the drill. Again, it's very difficult, especially when you're working with rock wool on the foundation. You've got to drill through, and then you've got to have that fastener find that hole. If you don't find the hole, you've got to drill another hole. And again, those holes are thermal breaks in the building envelope. So with one shot, it's pretty easy. You just push it in, shot, it's done. Now you've used the other system as well, and you're asking me after we're finished, like, when can we get one of these? So we definitely need to get one of these and be much faster than, probably save days of time out here, because you can do this in half a day. So yeah, we had 3 people out here putting all this insulation up, and you can see all the fasteners all up and down the wall here. We pre-drilled, we had somebody holding it up, but we also had somebody coming back and putting the fastener in place. Took a long time. So with this tool, we're gonna get this. And we also, I was a little bit skeptical at how strong it was, but we had, a strongman competition afterwards. You guys tried to pull it out. Now, wait a second. Okay, they did try. I just tried to pull it out. It definitely is not going to come out. So let us know what you guys think about this product in the comments below. We're going to be doing more of this. We also have the full wall assembly and the roof, and we're looking at some different types of fasteners from Triangle Fastener and Ramset to see how we can get this house put together much faster. Because again, if you're taking the extra effort to do a passive-like house, have continuous insulation, you want to use fasteners that give you the thermal bridging, but also don't break the budget because you're spending so much money on labor trying to put it up. This is going to go a lot faster, and look forward to using this in the future. Thanks again. See you guys next time.